ninyong tanan.
I can't believe you.
The first time din ako ra nag-inusa in all my 70 years. This is record-breaking. Ako ra nag-inusa, nag-celebrate sa Pasko. But I'm okay. I'm just reminiscing the good old times. Katong gagmay pa ta. We always have something going. The 24th, bingo na at a Christmas play, exchange of gifts. Those are happy memories. And then, of course, itong naminyo ako ni Bob, we always have some good stuff going on here in the house or celebrating it with friends in church. But like I said, karon, first time din ako na dili lang ko sa balay and I'm not going out anywhere. Agtuon ako sa Tampa pero para layo ra kaayo niya. Kapoy magsakay og train niya, maikog sa tag magpakuha ta dire. So I decided to just stay home and spend Christmas with me, myself, and I. Of course, dire akong kibaw ko niya ako anghel. And I'm fine. I'm doing a lot of things. I baked peach cobbler. Ang gihatag sa akong tenant nga pastor, iyang wife, iyang mga anak diri sa akong likod. They wanted to bring me to Daytona. That was very sweet of them. Kay kibaw sila nga ako ra usa diri. But I miss you, my family, and hopefully next year, yung Ginoo, maayong lawas, maayong kondisyon sa atong bulsa. I might be able to spend Christmas with you again. 2 years now, no? Nga wala akong mag-spend on Christmas din. But, just wanted to greet you. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Pero in New Year, ni ano diri si Chema, o ni daghang tao diri mag-celebrate. Ari mi diri magkuan New Year's Eve celebration. New Year's a year-ender shindig dito sa balay. Okay, I love you guys. I miss you very much. And thank you for praying for me all the time. I do pray for you too. We pray for each other. And we celebrate today a special gift that has been given to us. Ang kuan gugma sa Ginoo through His Son. Mao na ang special gift karon nga panahon. The reason why we are celebrating Christmas. You all take care. I love you and God bless you.